every fibre of my being, handling silenced trauma through slow textile making. My project aims to investigate how needle felting can articulate the silenced voice of trauma in non-representational form. This project asks, how can contemporary art give voice to silenced trauma? And what effective qualities of memory can slow textiles enact? Art therapy has already been studied on how it deals with trauma through touch. This is by using hands as a perceptive tool. These activities inform my art making process by exploring how repetitive processes of touch speak to tactile, cathartic, and ritualistic aspects of slow textiles. I approach this spaces as somebody who is affected by complex trauma. The task of articulating painful memories is daunting, even at times arresting. Bearing that trauma stifles emotional release, how can these memories be expressed in art? Tacit knowledge will guide my creative work. I experiment with needle felting by recreating and disfiguring childhood objects. Objects such as candles and banana leaves hold deep cultural meaning and spark traumatic sensations from my upbringing. Alright, I am really nailing this disheveled look. Alright, so it's probably been a week, maybe 8-9 days since my actual presentation, so apologies for the big time skip. Initially I wanted to film something on the day itself, or maybe even a day afterwards, just to like kind of go through a sort of a reflection on how it went. But to tell you the truth, even though I was overall pleased with how the thing went, I also kind of just wanted to hide from the world and shut myself out for an entire week. I think that despite the nerves getting the better of me towards the end, especially during Q&A, that's definitely not my strong point, I am happy with the result. And I can't wait to talk about it with my supervisors during our next meeting. But in the meantime, right now, we're all just taking a well-deserved break, especially since I've been focusing on this oral presentation for over a month now. Having this time to just decompress, relax, kind of shove the whole project out of your mind, or, you know, like I've been trying to actually work at my own pace on the creative aspect at least. But yeah, I think having that time off is really crucial, especially for those working on a long-term project, whether it's a thesis or otherwise. But despite having those moments of feeling a bit directionless, I am enjoying the break. So my original plans for this vlog was actually to add on the presentation that I did as a sort of video essay, but I think I might leave that for perhaps the next couple of vlogs over. In the meantime, I do want to continue with my artwork analyses. That's the second section of my thesis. So I've done my intro, my literature review, and now that, along with just compiling notes for my studio practice, which will be in the form of a catalogue essay, I believe. I am super duper happy that we decided to work on these artwork analyses along with the presentation, so I'm a bit ahead of schedule, which is great actually. I always feel, and it's hard to gauge, but when I'm like at home working, I just kind of feel that I'm procrastinating a lot and I'm just being super duper lazy. But you know, I actually received my progress report today and the supervisor's comment, and it's been good, and it instills a lot of confidence in my work so far, so I'm personally really chuffed about that. Like you wouldn't believe. So yes, look forward to that video essay very, very soon. I want to make sure that it's, you know, nice and schmick looking. Otherwise, I do want to keep it largely as I presented it last week. Thank you for tuning in for this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm hoping to also get back into making a fun needle felted tutorial just on the side so I can regain a little bit of sanity. But I'm just not sure what to make. But I do have a couple of ideas lying around, so if that's your sort of thing, if that's what you initially tuned into my channel for, then get excited for that. Anyway, I hope that you are all well, and I will see you next time.